much, Fifi, and good morning, everybody. It's a wonderful pleasure to welcome you all to our fourth annual edition of SA Trade Connect, set once again in the very beautiful city of Cape Town with its glorious weather, very different to Johannesburg. Since its inception, the SA Trade Connect conference is really aiming to encourage meaningful and robust discussion to drive our South African capital markets forward as a collective. Obviously, as you know, it has a primary focus on the equity market structure, market quality, liquidity, regulatory developments, and also technology enablement. And the Trade Connect conference has evolved and it's expanded since its inception. So through collective forums and panels, the breadth of the conference and the content has expanded to incorporate pertinent and very evolving, rapidly evolving global trends in the global market. And it's complemented by the invaluable insights and perspectives of the diverse stakeholders, both from our local and our global ecosystem. We are very much committed to enhance the appeal and the relevance of South Africa's capital markets. And this serves as the driving force behind the objective of the conference and the conversations that we are planning to have today. The collective dialogue serves to create a forum for transparent and very candid discussions about the challenges within our markets and enabling the opportunity to craft solutions and progress to what we see as a very dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. Over the years, the insights that have gleaned from the conference, and previous client engagements have paved the way for the introduction of a number of really innovative products and services, such as the introduction of actively management certificates, actively management ETFs, and you can see the tremendous growth surge we're seeing there, market quality insights through the launch of Trade Explorer, and the execution enhancement functionality, such as our self-match prevention functionality. So with a dedicated focus aimed at both reducing the implicit and explicit and direct client costs, coupled with the ambition to deliver very best-in-class technology advancements, we introduced at the JSE Colo 2.0, which is a cloud-based shared infrastructure service, and it's delivered in collaboration with IPC Beeks, who are here today. Moreover, we've also joined forces, as many of you know, with Amazon Web Services to modernize our technology. And really, we're embarking on a very big project, which is top of mind for many of you. Many of you have raised it with me before the session, which is the BDA system upgrade. These efforts really underscore our dedication to enhancing market efficiency and accessibility, and we focused on retaining our commitment to driving progress and adapting to the ever-changing needs of yourselves as market participants. Shifting now to a more global perspective and macro perspective, in 2024, we saw a marked pivotal moment, which was the introduction of the Government of National Unity. And this historic development sparked a very bullish sentiment, which I was chatting about just before this session, towards South African equities. And it was momentum that we do continue to see into this year, although it's moderated somewhat. Volumes have seen a tremendous resurgence with a significant uptick directly after the GNU, and we've seen a 40% year-on-year increase in the value traded year to date, off, of course, a low base, but nonetheless quite a tremendous uptick. These stimuli, backed by an improvement in the GDP growth outlook, have served very much as a catalyst to increase consumer and business confidence and to foster a stronger risk appetite among investors. On the exchange, the outlook has been characterized by a buoyancy in activity in the equities market, and we've seen 8 successful IPOs in the prior year and a strong pipeline for 2025. On the secondary market trading side, we've seen an increase in the interest from a much more broader and diverse range of offshore investors. And local investors at the same time have also supported a re-rating of our markets with reinvestment back into our local stocks and also, of course, our bonds. At the JSE, we are committed to sustain the growth and to grow these encouraging developments. And we are continuing to work with the market on the upward trajectory of our capital markets. We are very much committed at the JSE as a leader in capital raising, technology, and trading enablement. And in addition, we take our stewardship role as a market convener to foster stronger collaborative engagement across public and private sector, as well as key stakeholders across the local and global domain, as imperative to support the drive to increase investment into South Africa and to grow and to scale our markets locally. So to this end, we've embarked on a number of collaborative projects, such as Operation Phumelela. Many of you would have read about that in the press, and our SA Tomorrow conference, both in New York and London, been around for more than a decade, as well as a macroeconomic and various capital raising conferences to drive the investment case for South Africa. These platforms are really crucial because they afford us as a collective an opportunity to collaborate with government and engaging international investors, really to demonstrate our synergistic relationship with the public sector, which is very well received by the international investors, by the way, in driving our country forward. So at the JSE, we remain committed to deepen our exchange as a center for innovation and really working together with the market to drive South Africa's position as an emerging market destination of choice. So it's very much aligned with our theme for today, which is strengthening the investment appeal of the South African markets. And I'm really eagerly anticipating and looking forward to exploring how we, through our collective efforts, can scale this vision into a reality. I believe today is an opportune moment for us, both on the buy side and the sell side, to have constructive discourse between those parties in the JSE and also our vendors and other stakeholders to identify opportunities that are going to take this market forward. As a collective gathering here today, it serves as a sound enabler to invigorate our investor confidence and to continue to drive forward the compelling case for South Africa as an attractive investment destination. It's a privilege to engage with each of you today at our SA Trade Connect conference of 2025. And as we look forward to this forum, serving as a medium to unpack a very constructive engagement to enable us to bring market-relevant solutions to our South African markets, to really shift the needle. So I want to thank you all so much for being here. We appreciate you've all got very busy diaries, and thank you for taking the time. We look forward to engaging with you. I apologize in advance. Unfortunately, or fortunately, we announce our results on Monday, so I have to shoot up to Joburg. We've got meetings with our board later this afternoon and tomorrow. So I'll be here for the morning, but really looking forward to engaging with as many of you as I can. Enjoy your day. Thank you.